Annyeonghaseyo, dolallycrafts Karen입니다, and welcome to another card making tutorial at dolallycrafts. This is my simple card making class that, as I explained in yesterday's video, I have so many Christmas products and we only have 3 weeks left until Christmas Day, or I've only got 3 Fridays left and not enough time to demonstrate all the products that I've got from last Christmas, as well as a couple of new ones from this Christmas. So yesterday was a card. Today I'm using scraps. I have 3 scraps here from leftover projects that are coming up over the next few days. So I thought I would trim some cardstock down, and these have all been trimmed. These are a piece of A4 and I've just cut 2-inch sections off the top of the A4 piece. So they're a little bit longer than I would normally make them, but that's okay because we're going to trim them to size. Now these come together so easily. These are all the gold foil paper that comes in It's a Wonderful Time. Oh, the Most Wonderful Time card pack. Now in that card pack you get the stamp set, you also get a die set, as well as papers all foiled on one side and plain on the back. You also get some specialty foil cardstock, some tiny little gold stars to go on top of your Christmas tree, as well as a heap of stickers. So let's get today's done. As I said, these are all offcuts from the papers that I'm going to be using, and I used the tag topper punch. Now I'm not sure whether this is still in our catalogue, however I know that there are other tag topper punches that are available. Now all of the back of the tags are all going to read the same. I'm going to come in with my stays on, only because I still haven't found the memento, and I'm just going to stamp across "Hope you have a wonderful Christmas." So these are all just going to go here, and then you can write the rest of your message on the cardstock. Now cover that over because I don't want it drying out in this weather. It is really warm. I'm filming this straight after filming yesterday's card, so if you can hear noise in the background, I have a fan going over there just to try and cool me down, because this craft room gets really warm, and of course I've got lights on everywhere, so that heats it up even more. Okay, so as I said, all I did was cut out 2-inch widths and the full length, or the full cross length of the A4 card. Now my paper trimmer is leaving very rough edges at the moment, so I'm just going to go over with my bone folder and smooth those edges down. Okay, they are fine, and these papers are absolutely gorgeous. It was the papers in this pack that sold it to me. The stamp set's okay, not one that I would write home about, but the papers and just the bits and bobs that come in this set, as well as the tinsel, which we're going to be using to just put at the top of the tags. Now as you know, I've already stamped the back. Let's get the fronts on. Now these are really easy. In with my silicone mat, which was here before. There it is, hiding from me. So in with the silicone mat, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of Stampin' seal at the top of the tags, like so. Bring in the card and just offset that, like so, so that we've got a bit of the white cardstock behind. And I just realised I didn't trim the white cardstock down, so just pop your piece like so and then just trim off so that they're the same size. Same again. Might actually do 2 at once. Multitask. Okay, so line it up and then just trim it off. So to make it easy for yourself, you could cut the Whisper White cardstock to 6 inches, because that was the full length of these papers. So once again, I'm going to come in and just, I'm still trying to get used to the Stampin' seal. Okay, and then just offset this slightly like so, and then the third one. Whoops. Okay, just push them back, offset this again slightly. Now this is where the stickers come into their own, really. Okay, so we have that set up. I'm going to come in with one of the small, actually, yeah, one of the small Christmas trees. No, one of the large Christmas trees. Will that be too wide? I'll use one of the small dark ones instead of the small light ones. I'm going to pop that down the bottom there. I'm going to come in. I know they're off to the side here somewhere. There we go. In search of. I'm going to open. There we go. Get one of these little stars, which are adhesive backed. There's, oh, my tree's disappeared there. What I might do is peel him off, if he'll come off. There we go, because it came off very quickly. And what I might do, pop him there. Little star on top of the tree, and then on the back, dimensionals. So it actually comes off the tag slightly. Like so. Now, where's the rest of my stickers? What else am I going to add? As you can see, I really haven't thought of this. I know. I actually die cut in the stamp set. There are little presents that you can stamp with the separate ribbons, and I really liked to stamp the presents just on plain cardstock. You can actually match them up. I'll show you the stamp set. You've got the presents and then you've got the ribbons. All I did was use the ribbons with some embossing powder, and I really like that, so I'm going to pop those down the bottom there. Pop a dimensional off the bottom of the card on both sides, and then come in with my Stampin' seal and just put Stampin' seal at the top of both presents. I'm sticking with the green and black here, so I'll pop one there. Might be an idea to take the backing off the dimensional first, so whoops, one there, and then backing off that one and one there. So there we go, and then just to hold that in place, I'm just going to pop another dimensional under the back like that. So there's our tag in with our tinsel. Now it's got gold tinsel on one side and then a clear tinsel on the other, so it's really pretty. And there we go. So that's number 1 tag. Move that aside. In with tag number 2, and on this one I'm going to pop one of the baby deer. Like so. I actually think that looks really sweet, just as it is. And then I do have a bit of this one, and what I might do is just pop some of the paper. Where am I going to pop it? Might have it off to the side, like so, and then trim that to the edge, and then do the same again, just for something different. There we go. And then once again lift the end of the tag, pop a dimensional there, pop that down, and then in with our tinsel again. Pop that through. And like so. So that's tag number 1 and tag number 2. In with the third one, and then I'm going to choose a different sticker. This time I think this is supposed to be mistletoe, but from my understanding mistletoe is actually white, so I'm not sure where the red berries come from, because these red berries look nothing like holly berries. So I'm just going to pop those down there, and then I'm going to come in with another one of our little deers and just pop that down the bottom there, just as something extra. In with another dimensional behind. Press that down to give it a bit of dimension there, and then in with our tinsel again. Ooh. There we go. So that is our 3 really easy tags from The Most Wonderful Time. And I think they look really pretty on anybody's present. They really would stand out. You could decorate the back of this. You could do some more embossing with maybe a little bit of snow, or there are stars, I think, in the stamp set, which you could emboss. Yes, there's some stars there. Or you could decorate the tree with some of these candy canes, just stamp real red with a bit of Versamark on the Christmas tree, just to give it a little splash of red. But there you go, really simple. And this is using scraps from your The Most Wonderful Time stamp set and kit. Okay, that's enough from me for today. Hope you have a great day, and I'm hoping to be back again with some more inspiration tomorrow. Bye bye.